So, have you ever been in a situation where you are trying to manifest your specific person, a circumstance pops up, and then all of a sudden you call up your friend and you start telling them everything that they are doing wrong? You go on and on about everything that your specific person has done to you, what they're doing right now that's pissing you off, and you just make it an ongoing thing for days, sometimes for weeks, even months. But you want your specific person to change into that version that you want, but you're continuing to tell your friend about everything that they're doing wrong. How do you expect your specific person to change when you are continuing to talk about the circumstances of your specific person to them on a daily basis? And what happens when you continue to talk about circumstances? They continue to recreate in your experience. Everyone is you pushed out, and your specific person can only reflect back to you the version that you have created in your mind. So if you want to continue to talk about circumstances and tell your friend all the bad things about them, then they have to keep playing out that role that you've created in your mind. So what I recommend, stop telling your friends about your specific person and the circumstances that are going on right now. Keep everything to yourself, and you keep persisting in your mind with the new story, with that version that you want to experience in your 3D. And if you keep that to yourself and you continue persisting in your mind as if your specific person is that version right now, no matter what they're doing in the 3D, then they will shift. Follow me for more tips.